Attention please. The area is under surveillance.
Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. We've recently been installing an advanced CCTV system in Halifax, West Yorkshire. The cameras have an inbuilt strobe light and speaker. This generates an automated message if a human is detected around the property. The customer can also have a two-way conversation through the camera using the mobile phone. The cameras also produce a stunning colour picture at night time. The CCTV will send the owners notifications to the mobile phones when a person is detected. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. This is a great feature as the CCTV system is keeping you up to date with all the relevant activity happening around your property. With the advanced systems that we install, it allows you to have multiple detection points per camera. This is footage from a customer's back garden. It shows the CCTV has identified me as a human and I'm triggering all the tripwires and intrusion zones set. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.